सामोपासन प्रसंगेन कर्मगुणभूतत्वात् निवर्त्य ओंकारं परमात्म प्रतीकत्वात् अमृतत्वेन महीकृत्य प्रकृतस्य यज्ञस्य अंगभूतानि सामोह मंत्रोत्थानानि उपदिदक्षन् आह. It was well established before while discussing the different types of meditations on Sama. We had taken this Om as a division, as a part of karma. That means we have discussed the characteristics of Om as Apara Brahma, as the proximate Brahman, not as the absolute Brahman. And now, setting apart that, Nivartya, after having discussed that very well, Karma Guna Bhutatvat, Nivartya. In connection with meditations and samas, Om was considered as a part of the rites. Now, desisting from it, what are we going to do? Paramat pratikatvat. Omkaram paramat pratikatvat. Amritatvetutena mahikritya. Now, what we are going to do is discuss about the Om as the symbol, because it is a symbol of the Supreme Self and cause of immortality. Therefore, mahikritya means glorified. The prasamsa has been done in the last part. Mahikritya, it has been glorified by Hetutvena Mahikritya. Yeah, right. Now, Prakritasya Yagyasya. Now we are returning back to the Prakritasya, the one that was under discussion before. Yagyasya Angabhutani. The different major topics that was very much useful to be discussed upon with the view to give instructions with regard to the Sama, Homa and Mantrothana. Three things. Upadidikshan Aha. For that now it is being stated. Why you want to go back into that? In the middle you came to Nirvana Brahman, again returning back to that Apara Brahma karma itself. Because in the previous thing we have seen the essence of the worlds is Om. And as and because the essence of the worlds, that Om can give us everything of the world. And also it is by stating so, what we wanted to show there, Om was being praised as a symbol of Brahman, because Brahman is itself transformed into all the things, everything, Sarvam Brahma. And Om is also Omkaram vai Sarvavak. It is told. Everything is Om itself. All the Namadhyan is Om itself. Nama, Rupa, Karma, everything is Om. In that way, while praising the Om, we had discussed that Om, if being meditated upon as a part of a rite, will surely give the worlds itself and never immortality. And that Om, if meditated upon as the symbol of the Supreme Self, then it will attain you, it will give you the immortality. Now the question arises, how we are going to decide this matter? How you decided that Om, being meditated as a part of karma, will give always the different worlds only and not immortality. And the same Om, when it is not a part of karma and meditated independently as the symbol of Brahman, a symbol of the Supreme Self, that is going to give immortality. How we decided that? To show that this part has been started. Because whenever a person does a rite, he has to do three things. The Yajamana also sings on Sama. The person who is the agent, the performer of the sacrifice, the sacrificer, he also sings a Sama. You see that Sama, you will understand, he is praying for a loka itself. And he uses certain mantras. He has to himself chant certain mantras and do the ahuti, homa. He has to pour the oblations. In that mantra also, he is praying for some loka. And the last, he gets up. The Utthana mantra he has to say. After pouring the oblation, the Yajamana gets up from his seat. When he is getting up also, he is again stating for a world itself. Therefore, when we are meditating Om as a part of a rite, then surely that Om can never give us immortality, because in the whole rite there is no place at all. There is no such mantra or sama or homa or anything which states that by this the Yajamana is going to get. But we have got such sama, homa and mantra which state that the Yajamana, the performer, will attain only different worlds. To show this, other than without showing this, the praise will be incomplete. How it can be complete? Just by pratigya matrena na vastu siddhi. Just by your own statements, self-statement, cannot decide anything. For that, an authoritative Vedic text is needed. A valid Vedic text is needed for that. For that purpose, this part has been started. To show in this whole part is the last part also of this chapter. Because after this we are going to take totally the Nirguna Brahma Omkar Upasana. That is why the last chapter of this chapter, the last part of this chapter, we are going to show how the agent always attains only these mortal worlds by the different rites. The final result of a rite. The final result of a rite is what? What is told before is Haranyagarbha. To prove that, this mantra is started. Brahmavadino vadanti yad vasunam pratassavanagam rudraణam madhyandinagam savanam adityanancha vishveshancha devanam tritiyam savanam. People who know and discuss on the Vedas. Here Brahma means Veda, not Atma, Brahma, not Shuddha Brahma. Brahmavadino, the Vedavadina ityartha. Who discuss on the Vedas say, vadanti, they say what? Yad vasunam pratasavanam. Since that which is belonging to the pratasavan belongs to the Lord, the deity Vasu. Rudranam madhyandinam, and this madhyandina savana belongs to the Rudra deity. And the Tritiya savana, the third, the last savana which is being done in the evening, the morning savana is to the Vasu, the midday savana is to Rudra, and the evening savana is meant for Aditya and Vishvedeva Devata. These deities only. Bhashyam. Brahmavadino vadanti. Is not telling any meaning of this. Yat pratasavanam prasiddham. Even this also says prasiddham. It is well known. In a rite, what is pratasavana and all? Tadvasunam. And that word which is related to the pratasavana rite is being presided by, or the ruler of that particular world will be Vasu. Taischa pratasavana sambuddho ayam loko. Which is that? Actually, this world itself, this world, this earth. Taischa, because Vasuna is Bhavachanam, plural number. By Pratasavana Sambandha, or the world that's connected. Which is that word? Ayam Loko. This world, which is connected with the Pratasavana, with the early morning Sama singing and all. Through these devatas, who are they? Savaneshanihi Vashikritaha. And that world is under the rulership of those presiding deities who are the presiding deities of this Savana, the Pratasavana. Savana Ishanihi. Taihi. Vashikrita Ayam Loka. You have to read it like that. Taihi Savana Ishani. Because the main presiding deities of the Pratasavana are Vasu. They are the rulers also of this world. Vashikrito Ayam Loka. Tara Rudrair Madhyandina Savaneshanihi. And similarly, it is the Rudra deities. They are the presiding deities of the midday Savanam. And they therefore are rulers. That is, under the rulership of them is the Antariksha Loka, the space. Adityascha Vishvair Devaischa Tritiya Savaneshanihi Tritiyo Loko Vashikritaha. and by the deities who are named, whose names are Aditya and Vishwadeva. These deities are the presiding deities of the Tritiya Savana. Therefore, it is under their rulership that the third world, the heaven, is existing. Iti Yajamanasya loko anya parishishto na vidite. Now the question arises, then which world will the Yajamana attain after doing all the karma? Because all the worlds are being ruled by one person or the other, one or the other deities. But where will he go? What will he attain after doing such a lot of work? Yajamanasya loko anya parishishto. There is nothing that remains, no other world remains over for the Yajamana, the performer, the sacrificer. So the question arises, then where will this Yajamana go? Kvatari Yajamanasya loka iti sa yastam na vidyat kadam kuriyad atha vidvan kuriyad prayojanam anudisham andopina pravardate. Without knowing the result of a certain action, even the foolish fellow also can never do any action. So, it is necessary for a person who wants to do such a tireful work, it is actually doing an yajna. It's totally tired. Kvatari Yajamanasya loka, where in that case is a world for the performer, the agent? Iti is a question. Sayastam na vidyat, and that person who does not know the world which he has to attain by doing the rites, katam kuryat, then how he can perform a sacrifice. Therefore, atha vidvan kuryat, one who knows that world which he is going to attain, such a scholar, such a person conversant with that loka also should perform the different sacrifices. Bhashyam. Ataha kvatari Yajamanasya loko yadartam yajate. Therefore, now the question arises, if that is so, then where is the loka, the world, which is meant for or for acquiring, which this Yajamana, the agent, is doing all the different rites? Na kvachit lokostiti viprayaha. The idea behind this statement is that there is no world at all that remains separate for the agents of performing the sacrifices. Lokaya vayajate, yo yajate, iti shrudehe. And the other Vedic text says that lokaya vayajate, yo yajate. A person, whosoever it might be, who performs any sacrifice, is performing that particular act just to attain or acquire some world. Loka bhavecha sayo yajamana tam loka svikarana upayam samoham mantruthan lachan na vidyat na vijaniyat so agyaha katam kuryad yagyam. Loka bhave, in the absence of any world. Sa yo yajamana, he whosoever is the yajamana, the agent, the performer, the sacrificer. Tam loka svikarana upayam. If the world does not exist, any world is not there for him anymore. So the worlds that is being ruled by other deities, the same worlds he has to attain. And therefore he has to know how to attain those worlds, how to snatch from their hands. He has to know the method, somehow he has to get it. He is already being ruled by somebody. Somebody is the owner of it. Now how you are going to get it? Who can crook? You have to try to do something. So what are those things by which he can attain the same words? That is the Sama, the Homa and Mantruthana. These three things. Svikarana Loka Svikarana the different means by which he can attain the same, he can acquire the same words are the Sama, the Homa and the Mantra. Sama is the song that he has to sing, and Homa is the oblation that he has to put, and the Mantra which has to chant and get up and move towards that world itself almost. Na vidyat, yo yajmana, na vidyat, agent who does not know these three things, swagyaha, that ignorant fellow, katham kuryat, how he can do any yajnam, katham kuryat yajnam? That means he cannot perform any sacrifice. Na katanchana tasya kartrutva upadhyate. His agentship itself is not possible in any way. This is the meaning of this. Ityartha. Samadhi Vijnana Stuti Puratva. This mantra in between here has come only to praise that scholar who knows the Sama, that person, that agent, especially the doer, the sacrificer, the performer of the rite, who knows the Sama and etc. knowledge, is the rightful person to do the rites. Samadhi Vijnana Stuti Puratva. This is only to praise the knowledge of Sama, etc. Na avishakartutam karman. It is not to expel the avidusha. The person does not know this special knowledge, has no right to do any rites. This is not we don't want to say this. Because they have seen already in the Vishwasa Chakra and Prakarana. They are not on the knowledge of the deities and all, but still they are performing the karma. At that time it was very well discussed and said, a person conversant with only the right has also got a right to do the rites. And a person who has got the knowledge of the deities or such special knowledge of Sama, Homa, Mantra and all, such an Yajamana. Nowadays all Yajamanas are what? Ignorant Yajamana. They don't know anything about what karma is going on. Pandit says put here this, put here that. And you just put it, that's all. You don't know why, what's happening, God only knows. They don't know what mantra has to be said. The Pandit says, Bolo, ye bolo, Mama, Astu, hey. You go on, you all better one by one word. You don't know the meaning of those words also. What is being told by him?
The priest will tell the whole mantra and you say Mama, and you say
Bas,
Mama.
finish. So that is, you are seeing it's very, very practical in these days also, that totally ignorant people are also being agents and priests too. The priests also don't know the meaning also of the mantra. They are by-hearted and they have been practically, they have done, when asked to do, they have to get it done in this way, and they are getting it done. Therefore here he says, Sutayecha, Samadhi Vijnanasya, Avidyut Kartu Pratishedaya. Because it is not possible. Karamatravidha na pratishidyate. Na avidusha kartrutvam karamatravidha pratishidyate. Okay? Avidusha means an ignorant person. That means a person who is ignorant in the sense what? Karamatravidha. Not totally don't ignore a person is covered and all. Karamatravidha, a person conversant only with the rights. For him, kartrutvam na nishidyate. The agentship of such a person is not being prohibited. But, and if we take this mantra to give double meaning, then Vakya dosha will come in the sentence. If you take this mantra, is stating both the things. Stuti of Samadhi Jnanam and also Nishedha of Kartritam to the Ajnani. If both is being both meaning you want to take, then there will be Vakya dosha. Splitting the sentence and doubling the meaning, there is a biggest fault in any sentence. Stutayecha Samadhi Vijnanasya or and Avidut Kartur Prasidayecha iti Vidhyeta Vakyam. If you take both the meanings, that this mantra is meant for praising the knowledge of Sama, Homa and Mantrothana, and also this meaning states that an avidwan, an ignorant person, has no right to do. His doership itself, his agentship itself is being prohibited. If you take both the meanings of this single sentence, then the fault of accepting double meaning will come into this sentence, which is called as Vakya Bheda. Not only that, previously we have very well discussed in the Aushastya Prakarana, in the first chapter. Adya means in the first chapter, Aushastya Kandi. In the Aushastya Prakarana, in that part of the first chapter, Avidishopi Karma Siti Hetum Avochama, and we have very well adduced many reasons and stated very clearly over there that even a person conversant only in the rites and has no knowledge of meditations, even he has got a right to do the rites. Atha etad vakshamanam samadhi upayam vidwan kuryat. Therefore, etad, all that will be spoken of now. Not to be stated, it will be spoken of shortly. Samadhi upayam, what is being spoken of? Sama. The song, the mantra which is the doer, the performer has to sing, the homa, the special oblation that he has to put for, and the mantrothana, while getting up, what mantra he has to chant. All those three means are the instruments of attaining these words itself, which is already being ruled by somebody else. To attain those, to acquire those words itself, such a scholar, such a person should perform the rites. Kinta Vedyam. What is that which has to be known? Ityaha is being stated in the next mantra. Pura pratarnava gasyopa karanat jaganena garhapatyasya udangmuka upavishya sa vasavum samabhigayati. Pura pratarnava gasyopa karanat. Pura means before beginning the singing of the Pratarnuvaka, a special mantra which is being sung early in the morning after the juice of the somalata, of the weed called soma, the rasa, the essence being removed. After it is removed and brought into the main place where the oblations has to be poured. After that, the hota and all will start to singing the Pratarnuvaka. Before they start this singing, at that time, what this Yajamana has to do? Here the question has been taken in Brahma Sutra also. All this karma should be done by Yajamana or Ritvi, by the priest or the agent. There it is decided by Brahma Sutra, by Vyasa, and Bhashyakara has explained very well. All this has to be done by Yajamana because he wants to get those words. And he has to do himself. And here there is, in this mantra also it is told, Yajamana, the word is there, Yajamanaya Vinda. Words are there, such words, such indicative words are there by which you can decide easily that all these things will be done by the agent himself and not the priest. What he has to do? Before the singing of the Pratarnavaka is being started, he has to sit behind the Garapatya Agni. Garapatyasya Jaganena Upavishya. Garapatya is one of the fires. Having sat behind, Upavishya, having sat behind. How is he sitting behind over there? Facing northwards, Udangmukha. Sir, he, the agent, Vasam Sama Begayati. He sings that Sama, which is in praise of the Vasus, or we also say, he sings that Sama, which is presided over by the Vasudevadas. Bhashyam. Pura Purvam Pratarnavakasya Shastrasya. Because we have told before, Shastra and Stotra are different. Both are rik only, but when it is not sung, it is called as Shastra. And when it is sung, the same becomes Sama. That rik will be used for Sama. And that's called as Stotra. When you are singing it, it is called as Stotra. That Shastra, before chanting that, the should not say Upakaranam is not singing, you should say, I better say, before he chants the Pratarnavaka. Prarambhat. Upakaranat means Prarambhat, before starting. Pura means before. Upakaranat means Prarambhat, starting. Jaganena, Garapatyasya, having sat behind the Garapatya fire. Paschat Udangmukha San. Paschat is behind. Jaganena is for Jaganena is explanation is Paschat. Behind the Garapatya fire. Facing northwards. Sun. Upavishya. Having sat Sa, that agent. Vasam Vasudaivatyam Sama Abhigavat. He sings that deity, the Sama that is presided by the Devata Vasu. Or he sings that Sama in which the Vasudevata is being praised. Lokadvarapa Varno Pashyamatva Vang Rahum Ajayo A Iti. Lokadvarapa Varno. Apa Varnu is there. Apa Vrinu it is actually. Apa Vrinu has become Apa Varnu. There is one A added over there. And that is sung in Plut. 3 matra. Lo is in 3 matra, and that A which has been added here, that A is what? Before we have discussed Sthobakshara. We have discussed Sthobakshara Upasana, words which are added for singing purpose only, and they have no meaning at all. And those words will not change the meaning of the mantra also. Whatever is the rig, that's meaning is there. Even though we are adding certain words for singing, those words have no meaning, and also there is no effect on the meaning of the whole mantra. And number 1 is here A. There are totally 6 stobhaksharas in this sama. Lokadwaram, Apa, Vri it was there. Vri, A, Nu. Vrinu. That became, because of that A, they have made guna and all and put a Varnu. Pashematva. First thing, Lokadwaram, Apa, Vrino. Oh, Vasudevada, please set aside the doors of the world over which you are ruling. Why should I open the door for you? Said, Pashematva vayam. I want to see you, so that I will be able to meet you and see you. For what purpose you want to see me? Rajyaya. Because I want to enjoy the fruits of the world on which you are ruling. You see, Ra, after that, Ja is there too long. Ja is there after La and after this. In between there is Hum and A. You see, the Urnu also, Who is two there. Two Who is there. Correct. Urnu. You see, Apa, Vri, Nu is the word. In between here they put A and another Who also here. The Dir Who is taken here. This A is also Stobhakshara, Who is another Stobhakshara. Okay. And then comes third one is Hum. Hum is the third Stobhakshara. And after Hum another A is there. This is the fourth Stobhakshara. And after that Ra they added these two. Hum and A. Ra is being taken 15 matras. 3 into 5 times. 15 matras is Ra should be sung. Ra. You go on like that. 15 matras you have to sing Ra. Then Hu. 3 matras of Hu. And Ma, half matra. Again 6 matras you will sing. That's how he has to go. Ja. Rajaya. Rajaya. And now in Ya also there is Hu. Yo it has become. Is it not? In that another Hu is there. That goes to Akshara. Dirghu. Yo. Another A is there. This is the 6th one. There are 3 A's, 2 U's and 1 Hum. The 6th Stobhakshara in this Sama. And the last Ash is sung first 3 matras, then 2 matra, and after that 1 matra. That's how it will be ended. The mantra is only this much. Lokadwaram apavranu, pashematva vayam, rajaya. That's all. The rest is all Stobhakshara and singing only. Please open the door of the world you are ruling, so that I will be able to see you, or we will be able to see you, for attaining a kingdom in your ruling world, or to attain the different types of enjoyments that a person can avail by doing the rites in your world. Bhashan. Lokadwaram. Asya lokadwaram. Asya means this word. Prithvi lokasya. There is no word there for asya. His Bhashakar is explaining. Kasya lokasya dwaram? Asya prithvi lokasya. Praptaye. To attain this world, to acquire this world, this earth world itself. Dwaram apavrano. Please open the door. Hey Agni. Who is this Vasu? Is not that Agni, the fire god. His name is itself among the many names of fire god. One name is Vasu also. Tena dvarena, because by that opened door, Tena dvarena, by that opened door, Pashematva, we shall see you. Tvam means Tvam. Why? Rajaya. For attaining a kingdom. Rajya means kingdom. Here, kingdom in the sense, you can't go and have another kingdom here, in which he is ruling the whole world. Inside that, how can make it another kingdom? That's why the Tikakar and all they are telling, the sense here is of kingdom, that he will get all the enjoyments that a king avails in his kingdom, same type of enjoyments this fellow will also attain in this world. Atha juhoti namo agnaye prithivikshide lokakshide lokam me yajamanaye vinda yeshava yajamanasya loga etasmi. Atha juhoti. Then he pours the oblation by chanting this mantra. Namo Agnaye. That's a Vasu means Agni. You see, in this mantra it's very clear. And this Agni, this Vasu, is the ruler of Prithvi. The greater Prithvi Chete. In this Havana mantra it's very clear. Vasu is Agni and he is the ruler of this world, Prithvi world. Agnaye Namaha. We salute to the Lord of fire called Agni, who resides in this earth, Prithvikshite, who lives or rules on this world, Lokakshite. Lokam me yajamana vinda. Therefore, for me, the sacrificer, please acquire this world. Eshava yajamanasya loka. This world indeed is the world which an yajmana, a sacrificer, has to attain. Therefore, etasmi, I will be coming. I will come. He's not going now because after death he can go. He's doing the havanam, how he can go at that moment and attain all the enjoyments. Therefore, he says, etasmi, I will come. When? The next part of the mantra is still left over for havanam. That's not Addu Swaha is the Havana mantra. Atra Yajamanaha. He does this in the last and then pours the oblations. Prastad Ayusha Swaha. Prastad Ayusha. After completing this life over here, I will come. Etasmi. That is. Prastad Ayusha Etasmi Swaha. This is how we have to make the Anvaya of the mantra. But you have to chant the whole mantra in the same way the Yajamana has to chant. Prastad Ayusha Swaha. Bhashyam. Atha Anandram Juhoti. After that, after having sung this Sama, Anandram then Juhoti, the Yajamana, the performer, the sacrificer, the agent, is going to pour the oblations by chanting this mantra, Anena Mantrina, by chanting this mantra. Namo Agnaye Pravibhutaha Tubhyam. I am bowing down my head and saluting to you. Vayam Prativikshade. Because Vayam Pravibhutaha Tubhyam Namaha. You can add like that. Take that one. We, having bowing down our heads, are saluting to you. Prativikshade. Another Sambodhanam here. All these are Sambodhans. Prativikshite. Prithvi Nivasaya. Because you reside in this world. Lokakshite. Prithvi Loka Nivasaya. Here Nivas in the sense here not because Lokas have been added. You have to take it as the ruler itself. You not only reside in this earth, but you are the ruler also of this earth. Therefore I am requesting you to please let me enjoy the happiness, all the things that's possible for a person who is doing this right. Lokam me mahyam yajmana vinda labhasva. For me, the doer, the sacrificer, please acquire the word. Esha vai mama yajmanasya loka. Because verily this world is the world that should be attained by the sacrificer. Eta Gandasmi, I will be coming shortly. Atra Yajamanaha. In this world, I, the sacrificer, after completing this life, Etasmi. Atra means, I the sacrificer, Yajamana is to you say, I the sacrificer, Atra, Prastad Ayusha, after completing this life in this world, Etasmi, I am going to come. Therefore, be ready to welcome me. Open the door and be ready to welcome me.
But why do you want to come to this world? Why do you don't want to go to upper?
That's what the praise. How we are going to praise Om then? This is what he wants to show. I told you in the beginning. This is what the Veda wants to show. In karma, a person is going for a karma. What Bhashkar, all the Shastra, Aitara Upanishad also. Any Grahastha ashrama, any karma that a person does, usually is with a certain kamana. And that kamana is the enjoyments of this world. Enjoyments of the heaven. Enjoyments of the Antariksha world. As enjoyments of all the three worlds is the wish of each and every person who is doing the sacrifice. From outside you say, हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, I don't want anything. But inside said, यदि भगवान थोड़ा अच्छा और मकान हो जाता, थोड़ा ये अच्छा हो जाता, थोड़ा वो अच्छा हो जाता. The things will be there. Inside it is moving all the time. In the subconsciousness there are many kamanas are there, many wishes are there, desires are there. Tadiya vastu govinda tubhyam eva samarpaye, they say, is it not? When you are doing so, then why you take back the prasadam from the mandira? If the Pandit will not give the prasad, they will fight with it. हमारा बुट्टी दो, हमारा दो यार, आधा नारियल तो दो. Give back, you fight with the Pandit. हमारा कहाँ गया? हमारा बैग दो. उसे प्रसाद होना चाहिए. देखेंगे बैग खाली बैग तो नहीं दे दिया. चेक करेंगे. हाँ प्रसाद में फूल है, अक्षत है, फल भी है, सब ठीक है. ओके. What to the host going to be समर्पण?
वो भी खेल खेला तो वो भी मुश्किल है.
हाँ?
नारियल का बदला केला लगा तो वो भी हम.
हाँ वो भी लड़ेगा. हे आधा नारियल दो, केला क्यों दे दिया? So these are all easy to tell things, But actually in practical we are totally different. That's why the mantra says, Vangmi manasi pratishtita, manomi vachi pratishthitam. So what we say should be in our mind. What is there in the mind, that has to come through the tongue. Same thing should be there. Oneness. Kathni karni ek hai. BJP gave their dialogue. And they did everything horrible. Kathni karni ek hai. There is no difference in what you are saying and what you are doing and what you are thinking. The three should be one. But usually everything is different. So, अत्र यजमान प्रस्तदायुष स्वाहा. अत्र अस्मिन् लोके यजमानो अहम आयुष प्रस्तात् ऊर्ध्वं मृतः सन् इत्यर्थः. You see? Atra means अस्मिन् लोके. Having completed my life in this world, I, the yajamana, the जो है, what you call as the sacrificer, the performer, the agent of the rite, ayusha prastad urdham, after death only, mrita sanityartha. After death only I am going to come, not before. Swaha iti jihoti. By telling that swaha word, he is going to pour the oblations. This is a homa. The sama is over, homa is over. Now the mantrothana. Then what he says, apajahi parigham mityuktottishtati tasmai vasaprada savanagungam samprayachandi. Apajahi parigham. This is the mantra that he has to say. Ityuktva, after uttering this mantra, uttishtati. The yajamana, the performer, gets up. These are the things that the yajamana himself has to do in the karma, in the rite. For him, tasmai vasahavaha, the Vasudevada, the Agni Devada, pratu samprachanti, they offer him and give all the enjoyments of this world, which is related to the pratasavana, the early morning singing. Bhasham. Apajahi means apanaya parigham. Parigham means just that, what you call that, when you lock the door, this rod is there. That's called parigha. Huh? Latch. That's called parigham. Open that. Remove the latch. The bar of the door. You can say the bar of the door. In olden days they put on bar, no? The latch system is nowadays. In the olden days we put one big bar would be there in the corner, and that will be lifted up and again put back like this. The bar. Wooden bars were also there. Iron bars were also there. Many system was there. So, apajai parigham. That is actually called in Sanskrit parigham. In the modern language you can say latchets. Please remove the bar of the door leading to the world on which you are ruling. Ityuktva, battering so uttishtati. Yajamana gets up. Tasmai vasa pratasavanam samprachanti. Bhashakara says parigam means lokadwar argalam ityartha. Lokadwara argalam ityevam is the bar which is closing the door to the world. Nityam mantra muktva, having stated so, chanted or uttered the mantra so, uttishtati, he gets up. Evam, etir vasubhyaha, evam. Evam means, etaihi, in this way, by the sama, homa and mantrocharana. Three things. That's why it's etaihi, bhavachanam. By the sama, homa and mantrocharana, Vasubhya Pratasana Sambandha Loko Nishkrita, the performer has almost purchased itself. The world which was being ruled by the Pratasana Sambandha Lokaha, the world which is related and connected to the Pratasavana, which was ruled by Vasubhya, he, the Yajamana, the performer of the sacrifice, is almost Nishkrita, purchased from him. That means the person who is doing the right is purchasing all the enjoyments from the hands of the Lord Vasu, who is the Lord of this world. Bhaskara is very clearly Nishkrita syat. Tataha, therefore, those devatas, those deities who are presiding on this world, ruling over this world, Pratasavana Vasava. Who are they? The world related to Pratasavanam, and the deities ruling over the rulers of that Pratasavana Vasava. They, Yajamanaya, samprachanti. They give away all the enjoyments to the sacrificer. Similar meaning is of all the rest of the mantras. Pura madhyandyanasya savanasyopakarnat jaganena agnitriyasya udang mukha upavishya saraudram samavigayati lokadvarva varano pashyamatva vayam vairajyaya iti adajhoti नमो वायुवेन्द्रक्षते लोकम यजमानाय विन्द एष वै यजमानस्य लोकयितास्मि अत्र यजमानः प्रस्तादाय स्वाह अपजहि परिघमित्युत्तिष्ठति तस्मै रुद्रा माध्यन्दिनगं सवर्गं सम्प्रेच्छन्ति. Pura, before commencing the sama singing related to the Madhyandina Savana, Madhyandina Savanasya upaka upakarnat, that sama or that rik shastra which has to be chanted before commencing the chanting of that particular shastra rig, the yajamana, this fellow, the performer, what he has to do, he has to go and sit behind the adri agni. What is the agni dhri agni? Agni dhri agni means dakshina agni. Behind that is going to sit facing northwards, udang mukha upavishya saraudram samavigayati. That yajamana, the sacrificer, the performer of the rites, is going to sing that sama which is in praise of the Rudra Devata, or that sama which is being presided by the Rudra Devata. Lokadrapavaranu Pashyamatavayam Vairajyaya. The result only changes here. There it is only Rajyaya and here it is Vairajyaya. There is only this general enjoyments of this world. Now the enjoyments of the world of Virat is being taken. Not only of this world that you are seeing, but of the whole Virat. Vairajyaya. And the deity of this world is Vayu. Therefore it said in the next you say Atha Johoti. Then he pours the oblation, chanting this mantra. Namo Vayave Antarikshakshide Lokakshide. And he is the deity of the internal space, the intermediate space, which is the space that you call as one loka itself. Vayave Namaha. I bow down my head and salute to O Lord, the Lord of this intermediate space, who is called as by name Vayu, the air. Andarikshakshade, who is already residing in this space, and also he is the ruler of this space. Lokakshite. Lokam yajamana vinda. Therefore for me, the yajamana, for me the performer, please acquire that word called as space. Yeshava yajamanasya loka. Surely it is this space that is the world which has to be acquired by the person who is performing the rite. And I will come, he says, Yatasmi, I will come. But when are you going to come? Because after the death. Lokadvanam, he says, Prastad Ayushaswaha. After completing my life in this world, I, the Yajamana, the performer, will be coming over. Yajamana Eta Asmi. Apajai Parigam. So, therefore, remove the bar of the door which is closing the space, the world called space, so that I'll be able to see you and meet you. Ityuktva uttishtati. Tasmai Rudra, once it gets up, after that, for him, these deities Rudraha, who are the rulers of the world called space, and also the presiding deities of the Mahasavana, they will give away all the enjoyments related to the space world to that performer. Atra Yajamana ityadi. Bhashikara says there is no special meaning. Antarikshakshata ityadi samanam. Take the same meaning, there is no special. The seventh and eighth stage, Tatha Agnitriyasya means Dakshinagnehe Jaganena Udang Mukopavishya. Is it not? Agnitriyasya means Dakshinagni, the second fire. First fire was Ganapatyagni, second is Dakshinagni, the third is Avaniya. Udang Mukopavishya, having sat behind the Dakshinagni, facing northwards, he is going to sing. Sar Raudram Sama Abhigayati. Sar Raudram Sama Abhigayati. He is going to sing the Sama which is in praise of Rudra, that's Vayu, or which is being presided by the Rudra or Vayu Devada deity. Yajamano Rudra Devatyam Vairajaya. That Yajamana is going to attain the enjoyments of the world of Virat, which is being presided by the Devata, but ruled by the Devata, the deity Rudra. Some say here to attain the state of Virat itself they are taking. But it will not be in context at all.
Then it will be Hiranyagarbha Upasana.
It is not right actually. Because before attaining Rajyaya, the next year is Swarajyaya. And all that, because in context it will take the meaning of Vairajyaya also. It can't take the state of Virat itself. You can take only the enjoyments, as taken before and as you take the later portion. Then next is Samrajyaya, Swarajyaya. Therefore, there it is all enjoyment, sovereignty, etc. The previous mantra is the enjoyments of this world. The next mantra is the enjoyments of the heavens. And in the middle, how can take suddenly to a state of a deity itself? Here also you have to take the enjoyments of that particular world upon which the ruler is Virat. And with that Virat is itself Vayu, he is itself called as Rudra. There are not three different things. Pura Tritiya Savanasya Upakarnat Jagay Ahuniyasya Udang Mukha Upavishya Sa Aditya Gungsa Vaishodeva Gungsam Avigayati Lokadvanapavarano Pashyematva Vayam Swarajyaya Adityam Mata Vaishodevam Lokadvanapavarano Pashyematva Vayam Samrajyaya Adajoti Nama Adityabhyascha Vishwebhyascha Devebhyo Dvikshitbhyo Lokakshitbhyo Lokam Yajamana Vindata Esha Yajamanasya Loketasmi Atra Yajamana Parastad Ayushaswaha Apada Parigamityuktuttishtati Tasma Adityas Vishweja Devas Tritiya Samanagum Samprechhanti Esha Vayagyasya Matram Veda Evam Veda Evam Veda. And now, before commencing the Shastra Rik, before commencing the chanting of the Shastra, the Rik, special Rik of related to the Tritiya Savana, the evening Savana, this Yajamana, the performer, has to sit behind, having sat behind the Ahuni Agni, the Ahuni of fire, facing the north, he sings the Sama which is in praise of both Aditya and Vishwadeva Devada. Or he is going to sing that Sama which is presided by the Aditya and Vishwadeva Devada. What is that Sama? Lokadanapavarano. Similarly, the meaning is same. Please open the door for the Loka of the world on which you are ruling, so that I may be able to see you. Pashyematva Vayam. What for you want to see me? To attain the sovereignty of yours. Swarajyaya. Adityam matha Vaishwadevam Lokadranapa. So this was about Adityam. First one is, the first psalm is Adityam iti Adityam. Finish. Then comes Atha. That's why in the middle is there the word Atha. There's the first part, the sovereignty of the Sun Lord, Sun God. And then comes Samrajyaya of Vishwadev. Atha, that's why it's separating here. Atha Vaishwadevam. You see? Iti Adityam. You have to take like that. Iti Adityam. Atha, then, against going to the another Sama, which is related to Vishwadev Devata. Vaishwadevam. What is it, Vaishwadeva Sama? Lokadranapa Varno Pashimattavim Samrajyaya. Lokadranapa Varno, please open the door of the world on which you are ruling. For what? Pashimattavim, that I would like to see you. Why you want to see me? To attain the empire itself of yours. Samrajyaya. To attain your empire. That means to attain the enjoyments of your empire. Adajuhoti. Then he pours the oblation into the fire, stating this mantra: Nama Adityabhyascha Vishwebhyascha Devebhyo Divikshedbhyo Lokakshedbhyo. I bow down my head and salute to you, the Aditya Devata, the deity called Aditya, and the deities called Vishwadeva Devata, who are residing in the heaven and also are the rulers of the heaven. Divikshedbhyo Lokakshedbhyo. Lokam yajamana vindata. Therefore, please acquire that world called heaven for me, the performer of the sacrifice. Yeshava yajamanasya loka. Surely, verily, this heaven is the world that has to be attained by the performer of the sacrifices. And I am going to come over there. Etasmi. When atra yajamana prastad ayushasvaha. Only then, after completing my span of life in this world, that I am going to come over there. Swaha. Apata parigam ityukta uttishti. Again, this is the Utthana mantra comes. He says, Apahata parigam. Please remove the bar which is closing the door, so that through that open door I can reach you and attain all the enjoyments. Ityukta, having stated so, he gets up. Tasma, for such a performer, having known this Sama, Homa, and mantra, who has performed all these things, for such a performer, sacrificer or the agent, what is going to be given by these deities? The Adityaha and Vishwadeva Devataha, they will give the world related to the Risavana, is the heaven. There's all the enjoyments of the heaven will be offered to him. Yeshava Yagyasya Matram Veda. This is the true nature of all rights. You see now. Then when the true nature of rights is what? To give that. The maximum it can give is the heaven, nothing else. Only giving the lokas. Therefore, when the nature of karma, the rights is itself to give you not immortality, but the heaven at the last. So, what about Om, which is a part of that right? That Om is a part of that right also, can give only heaven and nothing else, not immortality. Therefore, it wants to show, this is related to the previous part. That is why we want to discuss now about that tomb, which is the means for immortality and which is the symbol of the Supreme Self. So to praise that Om, this Om is being indirectly, actually what are you doing is insulting it. Straight है क्या है तो थोड़ा सा फल देता है, स्वर्ग देता है, चीने पुण्य सर्व लोगों विशंति. What is the use of it? So that ninda of one Om, the upper Brahma Om, is for the stuti of the Par Brahma Om, to show that this thing had come in between. So I say Yayavam Veda, Yayam Veda. The repetition is not only for concluding this praise of that Om, but also for concluding the chapter itself. So ends the second chapter. In Bhasha there is one or two lines, let us see that fastly, not much. Tata Avaniyasya Udangmukha Upavishya. Now the third fire is Avaniya fire, the most important fire. sitting behind it, facing northwards, sa adityadi. Aditya means Adi Daivatyam. Adityadi Daivatyam is what? Aditya and Vishadev. Two devatas are there, is not? Adityam Vashadevancha Sama Abhigayati. Since that Sama related to those deities, and Kramena Swarajya Samrajyaya. For what purpose is singing those Sama? To attain in order, first for Swarajyam, for sovereignty, and next for Samrajya, for the empire. Divikshethya Ityavam Madi Saman. The rest of the mantra's meaning is one and the same. There is nothing special over here. Vindatam is apahata. Iti bahujana matram vishesha. Here only we are speaking in plural number. That's the only difference. Vindata. Vindasi, vindataha, vindata. Vindata, vinda, vindatam, vindata. Before it is vinda. Yajamanaya, vinda. It is a singular number. But now it is in plural number. That's the only difference. Because here the date is not in plural also. Vishwe Deva Devadaha. There are many. Adityaha. Many. Yajamanantvetat. Here is Bhashakara says very clearly. All this work has to be done by the Yajamana. It is not the karma of Artvijyam karma. The Anandagiri see the first line. Kimidam Samadhi Artvijyam Aho Yajamanikam It. In Anandagiri is shown very clearly. What all this Samaganam and Swahakara of the Ahuti and the Mantrottana, these has to be done by whom? By the priest or by the performer himself. Bhashakara says very clearly, Yajamanantu etat sarvam karma. All this karma, all these three should be done by the Yajamana himself. Etas, why? Because of the indicative words. Ityadi linga. Here the words are Eta asmi. I am going to come, he says. Who is going to go? Yajamana. And the word is there. Atra Yajamana. Ekvachanam. Eta asmi. Due to these indicative words, it is very clear that these three karma, these three actions should be done by the performer himself. Eshava Yajamana. Evam vit yathokta samadri vidwan yagyasya matram yagyathat. Eshava vai Yajamana. This Yajamana, this performer, actually, who is knowing these three things. Evam vit means, who is knowing these three. The Sama, Homa, and Mantrothana. Yathokta samadehe. That's what Evam Vit is making more clear, Bhashakara. That which has been spoken of now, the Sama and all other things, that Vidwan, a person knowing that Yagyasya Matram, he is actually knowing the Yagya Yathattam, the true nature itself of the rites. Veda Ethoktam. Evam Vedem Vediti Duruktir Adhyaya Parismat Karta. And the repetition is to complete, to show that the whole chapter is concluded by this.